Hi everyone, welcome to another share. Today I try to look at the stages of a tilapia food fish. According to research, a typical tilapia cichlid goes through over 32 developmental stages during its lifetime. Interestingly, a typical tilapia food fish reaches sexual maturity at about 6 months. This will depend on the water temperature, and average weight 30 grams. Let's talk about its developmental stages. Reproduction occurs only when temperatures are over 20 degrees Celsius. A tilapia fish will spawn several times per year once the temperature is right. This will occur once every 30 days. Adult female tilapia will incubate eggs inside their mouths approximately for a week, where larvae hatch and remain until the vitalis is reabsorbed. Egg size measures roughly 1.5 millimeters, larval length at hatching 4 millimeters. Tilapia love to spawn in firm sand or dirt substrate and water from 0.6 to 2 millimeters deep in the fish pond and inshore waters. Male tilapia set up and defends territory which is visited by the females. Courtship lasts several hours. A single male probably fertilizes the eggs of more than one female. Eggs are shed in batches in shallow nests and fertilized by males. Each batch of eggs is picked up into the oral cavity by a female. Female tilapia are solely involved in brood care. Female tilapia carries up to 200 eggs in her mouth where the larvae hatch and remain until after the yolk sac is absorbed. A tilapia experiences over 30 stages of development. These stages range from egg to embryo, larvae, juvenile, and adult to name a few. You should note that a group of tilapia eggs are referred to as clutches. Tilapia babies tend to grow according to how they are fed. Poor quality water and food will hinder the proper development of your tilapia fish. The first few changes identified in the developing tilapia baby fish are as follows: cleavage, blastula, gastrula, segmentation, pharyngula, and hatching. Juvenile development begins with yolk absorption and lasts until the first maturation of gametes. During the early juvenile period, the onset of exogenous feeding and the appearance of a tilapia mark or tilapia spot, that is, tilapia-specific juvenile coloration in the middle of the dorsal fin. In the subsequent late juvenile period, the tilapia mark gradually disappears. Probably one can say, accompanying the maturation of gametes. It is important to note that, not only male tilapias are larger than females but in general, male fish develop faster than female fish. It is important to note that, during the gastrula period, as a result of convergence and extension movements over the large yolk, in reference to the tilapia egg, epibole will begin to spread the blastoderm across the yolk cell faster on the ventral side. The egg begins to hatch between stages 17 to 18 of its development. This is the stage that I refer to as the jumping beans stage. Baby fish is not yet released by female tilapia to explore water space. As the egg becomes more of a larva, it continues to develop with eyes, mouth, gills, and fins being developed. This occurs between stages 19 through to 22 of the tilapia fish developmental process. 3 pairs of teeth are also developed at this stage also. It is of great interest to note that the baby tilapia fish swim bladder develops at stage 23. It is at this stage it is able to float within the water space. A few more teeth develop at this stage, stages 23 to 25. During all the stages the egg sac is still present in the baby fish. At stage 75% of its contents have been used up by the baby fish. The fish can swim and forage along the pond or fish tank, still having the yolk sac 75% empty. At stage 26 the fish organs have been covered and are considered defined within the body structure. At stages 26 through 32 baby fish continues its development, bones, and defined features. The yolk sac is completely used up at this point as the fish swims much faster. Of the 32 developmental stages of a baby tilapia fish, stages 1 through 19 were based on external factors while stages 20 through 32 are observed based on a combination of other factors including internal and external and a mixture of both. It should be noted that the term larva is commonly used to describe the period between hatching and the end of yolk absorption. During this stage of the fish development, the fish bears no resemblance to the adult tilapia fish. The 32 stages of tilapia food fish development are not unique to tilapia cichlids only. According to research, the above process described mirrors the development of several fish species found in both fresh glasses of water along with marine baby fish development. Several dynamic changes occurred in the early larval period of Nile tilapia. 1. Differentiation of unpaired fin. 2. Development of teeth. 3. Differentiation of several dermal bones. 4. Formation of pelvic fin buds. 5. Inflation of swim bladder. 6. The appearance of iridophores. 7. Expansion of melanophores. And 8. Maturation of intestine. These events are considered a larval to juvenile transition of Nile tilapia. The transition of Nile tilapia may be also mediated by some endocrinal stimulation including thyroid hormones. During the first 4 days of a baby tilapia's life, its sexuality is not yet defined. The addition of hormones by fish farmers can help to create a monosex stock of fish. I did a video on this a few months ago. If left to breed without monitoring, female fish usually give birth to more female babies than males. Tilapia food fish originated in Africa and can be found in sections of Asia. Based on research, programs have been done to mix breed species of tilapia found in sections of the world to create a hardy and dependable food fish source. The buccal anal area of the tilapia food fish baby is a clear indication that the fish is still in the process of development, and care should be offered in providing quality feed and water which should allow it to mature and grow very fast. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.